Hi friends, this is your friend Shashank Anand and welcome to Grishma Educational Rainbow. In my last video, we have learnt a few national symbols of India. Many of my friends have already watched that video and asked me to give some information on national animal, national flower, national bird, national tree, national fruit and national language too. So, let us cover these topics in this video. This is our topic today. Being as an Indian, it is need to know what our national symbols are. And moreover, these symbols are so important for those who prepare for competitive exams. Okay, get ready, pay attention. Let us start our topic with national animal. The national animal of India is Royal Bengal Tiger. Its scientific name is Panthera tigris. It is a striped animal with a thick yellow coat of fur with dark stripes. It is a symbol of strength and agility. It was adopted as the national animal of India in the year 1973. These are found in mangrove vegetations, forests and grassland habitats. The weight of the Bengal tiger is about 220 kg and can grow up to 3 meters in length. The average lifespan of the Bengal tiger is 8 to 10 years in wild and has the ability to run 60 km per hour. Now let us jump into national flower of India. Lotus is the national flower of India. Its scientific name is Nelumbo nucifera. It is a cup-shaped flower and it can reach up to 8 to 12 inches in height. Each blossom consists of approximately 15 petals and opens in the morning and closes at night. It is a symbol of rebirth, purity and enlightenment. Even though its roots are in the dirtiest water, this flower produces the beautiful fragrance. Now let us dive into national bird. Peacock is the national bird of India. It is a swan-sized bird and a fan-shaped crest of feathers with a long slender neck. The male is more beautiful than female. It has approximately 200 elongated feathers. It was declared as the Indian national bird in the year 1963 for its rich religious and a part of Indian traditional culture and customs. It is a symbol of grace and beauty. Now let us move to national fruit. Mango is the national fruit of India. Its scientific name is Mangifera indica. Most of the people called mangoes as the king of fruits. These are found in terrestrial habitats. The symbol of mangoes are abundance and prosperity. The sweet fragrance and most delectable flavors have won the hearts of many people all over the world. It is declared as the national fruit of India in the year 1950. Now let us move to national tree. Banyan tree is the national tree of India. Its scientific name is Ficus bengalensis. It is a fig type of tree which starts its lifespan as an epiphyte. Here the word epiphyte means the plant which grows on another plant when its seed germinates in a crack of the host plant. The leaves of a banyan tree is large, leathery, goosey green and elliptical in shape. The banyan trees have the longest lifespan of about 200 to 300 years. It can grow up to 30 meters in height. Let us move to the last one. Now it's your turn to answer to this question. That is, what is the national language in India? If your answer is Hindi, then you are mistaken because there is no national language in India. As per Article 343, the language Hindi, which is in Devanagari script, is considered as the official language in the year 1950. So, finally, what I want to tell you is that the language Hindi is an official language but not national language. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notifications immediately when we upload videos. Let us meet soon by next video. Keep watching. Bye.